Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to add fonts in Canva so customers can customize designs and match their style or brand. Whether we are uploading our own font or choosing from Canva's library, it is a simple way to make our designs stand out. On the Canva dashboard, we will add a text to show how this works. Let's add a text. For example, let's write sample and make it a bit bigger. From here, we can change the font of the text by clicking on the font name. Once we click on it, we can add a new font by clicking Upload Font. Please make sure we already have a premium account before we upload a font, as only premium users can add or upload fonts in Canva. If we already have a premium account, just click Upload and choose the font we want to add. Once that is done, we just need to click on it and it will be applied to our text. That is how we can add fonts in Canva in just a few simple steps.
With the right typography, our designs will look more unique and professional.